Okay, so I'm going to show you a live trade happening in real time. I have to whisper because it's very early. And you're going to see exactly how I can predict a jump. In fact, it's happening right now. So I know that that blue line, which is a tech stock, is going to leap up. And I'm going to catch that leap right now. I just got to set my thing here. Boom. Buy. Now watch this. Okay, I just ordered. So this blue line is going to jump up, and I knew that was going to happen. So watch its value leap. Okay. Right now it is up only 0.27%. Now it's down 3.21%, but fear not. It is going to jump up and you're going to see a nice profit. And we're talking in a matter of seconds. This is really happening right now. This is live. Up 1.6%. There you go. See this blue line here? It's going to jump up a little bit more. And we're going to get a nice little percentage boost here. You know what? Let's aim for a nice juicy percentage. Okay, so what I did is I set it to sell as soon as it pops up a little further. Now the whole point of this is that, check it out, I just sold it. Okay, 5.08% profit. I knew this little guy was going to jump up here. There are specific indicators that teach me and show me when it's going to do this. I can't predict long-term, beautiful rallies that happen over the span of days or weeks with great accuracy. What I can do with accuracy is just this little U-shaped jump. This blue line is a tech stock that has good fundamentals. This red line is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's not the only index one can use, but you can see that here. This is the value. I'm going to show you exactly what happened, okay? I bought this call option for 1.87. You can see that there under fill. That means that I spent $187 on this call option. I sold it for 1.97. That means that I sold it for 109. I made 10 bucks. Now someone might say, "Ooh, what's so great about that?" Well, I only used $187. That means that $10 divided by 187 is 5.3%. That means that if I used $1,870, right? That would mean that I would make $100 in those few seconds that you saw. And when I say few seconds, we're talking 1 minute and 18 seconds. Would have been $100 in 1 minute and 18 seconds if I used 1,870. Well, I tend to use even more than that. I'll sometimes use 3,000. Well, if I used 3,000, I would have made about $200 in that minute and 18 seconds. This is what the 20-minute trader is all about. Because if you look at this time down here, it is only 6:36. Almost 6:37 in the morning Pacific time. And I'm already done. So what that tells you is that it took me 10 minutes to set up. Sometimes the trade happens a little later. This was a very early trade. Sometimes it happens at 6:40. But I look for indicators and I look for signals that tell me buy, sell. And that's the 20-minute trader.